Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a answering questions about privacy on the latest version of Windows 10, the 19H2 or the November 2019 update. Pretty much every version of Windows 10 I get questions about, did they change anything in the privacy settings? Is it worse? Is it better? Is it um, in the setting themselves and the way that you actually interact with the settings for privacy, there isn't any change that I've noticed and or I've heard of in the general privacy settings within Windows 10 November 2019 update. That means the settings are pretty much the same as the May 2019 update. Where I would probably rant is that in a clean install environment, when you want to do a clean install of Windows 10, Microsoft has made it kind of difficult to really create a local account. So once you've installed, you are on a local account, but when you are installing, a lot of people are complaining about how difficult it is to find the local account information. Some say it wasn't there. I would have to actually do a clean install on a machine to really check out the different options. So what I will probably do is try it with one of my machines that I can clean install with the May 2019 update at least, and or even and check out anyways with a clean install. Where are those local account information? How is it that it's removed from there? This is not a good idea. I think Microsoft needs to be very clear that whatever you want to have as an account, be it a Microsoft account, and I totally understand why some people don't want that, and I totally understand that people should have a choice, and they're making it difficult. Of course, once you are into your PC with a clean install, of course you can go into your settings and say sign in with a local account instead. Problem is, if you're a little for those that are worried about the privacy and all of that, well, I understand that some of you don't want to have that login option before having to switch to a local account. And yeah, I get it, and I think everybody's right on that. We should have the choice, an easier choice. But for the rest of the privacy settings, for all the data that's sent out, it's the same, pretty much the same thing. The app diagnostics, all the diagnostics from the feedback and all the stuff that the computer might be sending out, diagnostics and feedback with basic or full. And once again, there's no off switch. So once again, a lot of people would like that, off, basic, and full, and have that capability also. But you do have still, an option here, which is delete diagnostics data. You can actually do this. It will delete and remove copies from the systems at Microsoft. Yeah, I know we don't see it, and we gotta hope that they do it for real. I do think they do it, and you can always click delete on the diagnostics data if you wish to remove them from their servers. But overall, really nothing has changed in the privacy options. Once again, a lot of people ask me what I think about it. I think Microsoft could do a better job at let's say they could be more transparent in the way that this is happening, which would probably help tremendously in the image of Windows 10. And but I do not, mine is at full, stays at full. I got no problem with that. I don't see what interesting aspect of my life they could check out here. And like I always say, with millions and millions of computers, 900 million Windows 10 computers, hundreds of millions of all of that information, there there's nothing they can do with that really interesting. I mean, they sell some of it for ads purposes, just like Google and all of that. But when I see people going crazy over why Microsoft is doing this, What's worse, having Google know everything about you because you do searches on their Google um, website and using Chrome and being tracked everywhere with your smartphone. Honestly, I think it's a non-issue with Microsoft and Windows because it's not as bad as these other companies. And you know, they, they of course need a lot of the feedback for testing purposes. There are some things that sometimes, yeah, it's kind of mysterious, and we gotta hope that, or we, like I say, Microsoft needs to be a little more transparent. But it's not worse what they do than any other company, including Google. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.